Hi, I'm Kitten from SunSweetCooking, and with summer just around the corner, we're going to be making some dog-safe ice cream treats that not only will your dogs enjoy, but you can enjoy it too. Let's get our apron. Rocky, hugs. Oh, good boy. Aw. Up. Thank you so much, Rocket. Now it's time to make our dog's favorite treat, ice cream. For this recipe, you'll need 4 tablespoons of natural creamy peanut butter, 32 ounces of Greek yogurt, and of course, a blender. Whoops, I mean 12 ounces of yogurt. Oh, and you'll also need a banana. Yellow? Yeah. We're making dog treats today? Yeah. I'll get them over in like 2 hours or once they're ready. Thanks. All dogs love peanut butter, but not all peanut butter loves dogs. Sometimes in the ingredients, there will be a fake sugar called xylitol. This can seriously hurt your dogs. Make sure you check your ingredients first. Let's see, what's on our ingredients? Roasted peanuts, sugar, hydrogenated vegetable oil, salt, and dextrose. Good, there is no xylitol in this peanut butter. Our dogs are safe. Wait, there's a warning. Contains peanuts. Wow, I never knew! Now it's time to combine all of our ingredients. Wait, I need my scooper spatula. How could I have forgotten? Why isn't it? Oh, there it is. Could I have $20? Oh, biscuits. Oh well, but let's combine all of our ingredients. 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. 'Shh. Rocket, come here. Rocket, hugs. Hugs. Rocket, hugs. Aw, good boy. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, what a good boy. Okay, off. Okay, let's continue adding our ingredients. Don't forget to scrape the sides. Now to get my handy taste testers. Who wants a treat? Oh, such my good boys. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Now to add our banana. Blend until it's a smooth consistency. think this is ready. Now we're gonna pour this into a measuring cup so that's easier to pour it into these cute little molds. Here's your science tip for today. Don't fill these up all the way because when it gets cold, it will expand and you don't want them to fall out of the mold. First one done. Now for the others. Once you're done filling up your molds, you'll want to put them in the freezer. If you don't have cute little molds, that's okay. A regular ice cube tray will work just as well. I got these off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below.
The next day.
Hi, welcome back. We've let our treats freeze overnight. Now, if you're using silicone molds, they should be super easy to pop out. Now it's time for our taste test. There we go. You like it, boys, don't you, Rocket? Yeah, you like it, don't you? Good boys. Kitten signing off. Kitten signing off. Rocket, there's no more! There's no more!